The water calm, man. It's very calm. I do say so much. Well, I may not probably see now, but this side of the beach, black. We're gonna give you know. Yeah. And then this side of the beach, blue skies. I week. But the back are we kind of blackish. We always here upon the beach. We have not come here. We have not been here since I think like 3 weeks ago. I think. It's the last time we came to the beach. I really can't remember. But I know we came already for the year, obviously. So you just here chilling, trying to see people, and that's very weird because it's after 9, and usually after 9, here there's real people. And then it just keep growing and growing and growing. But we had passed 2 buses up on the lookout. I went and got my chow, all you know, so it can function without it. And I buy a fudge for man. But yeah, it had 2 maxis up there, so when they come down, it had people up there. When they come down, the thing was that, oh my gosh, band launch season has started! Okay! Today is Yuma band launch, next week is Tribal, the week after that is Ronnie and Caro, and then the week after that is Spirit Mass. Only I want to play Mass, God's Play Life, God's Willing, and the money in, but I don't know who to play with. Like, now granted, I had like a costume to play with it. So, yeah, and I have a cap on how much I want to spend on a costume if I am playing Mass. So we shall see, because since I start saving from now for that, because you know, Mass not cheap. Okay, basically paying for your experience. That is the long and short of it. Who vex? So be it. But yeah. Hopefully the live stream, all them things, because me think I go into any. I might just, if I see anything that I like, I'll just go into the Mass camp and see it. And call out George, but we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. So yeah, we're just here chilling for a little bit, and yeah. Ollie, this is what I changed. Literally, in like 15 minutes, all the place black. I thought you could see behind me. It come from that side, come straight across. All the place is black. Okay, and the breeze, love the breeze, but it get real cold. Now, granted, they did say we had a cyclone to pass this weekend, and then Lamar told me it upgrade to like a storm. So, yeah, he got in the water. So if there's anything, we could bust out, like, you know, in a little bit. But although, that weather change with the quickness, okay? With the quickness. All this is back home. All of that real rain. When I tell you rain, and then I hear the cyclone turn into a storm. So now we on semi-storm watch in Trinidad, but Tobago had like full-on storm watch. So I bought me some crab and dumplings, and I'm going to watch some television. I have to tidy up this place, so I think that'll be the next part of this vlog. And I have to wash, but with this rain, you know. So yeah, like crab and dumpling, boy, and I'm going to take in some television. And I will come back when I start to tidy up. Well, I was now about to do my skincare routine, and I was like, oh my gosh, I did not show them what I got in Miniso. So I went there the other day because they had like 2 months ago, Keanu bought some face masks for me, and I really like them. Like, it had an aloe vera one and a vitamin C one, chef's kiss, and it was like $5 for one now, boy. So when I went, I was like, you know, $5 one is real good. Like, I'll spend $50 and get enough to last me a while, because the last time they just last a good little while. All they tell me when I went to $5, nothing. All they have is the one for $10, but still not bad either, because one of this in Wonderful is like $25. So we still, you know, on point. But anyway, so I picked up these. Never tried these before because they didn't have the ones that I used previously. So I got this moisturizing coffee facial sheet. I picked up 2 others. Was $10 each. I picked up this hydrating facial sheet mask, 2 of these. Same thing, 10 each. And then I picked up this collagen eye mask. It's a moisturizing collagen eye mask, and it's for under your eye because all the whenever I say about under my eye again, a little darkish, you know, stress and all them things. So, so I picked up 2 of these to use. And then I always wanted like a facial spin brush, but I don't know, but I find nothing. But after like watching videos and things, people say it does leave like micro tears in your skin and all kind of madness. Well, let me know. Or the internet could be a great place to get information, and then it's just like 1 minute to tell you, use it, the next minute telling you can get from it, like make up all your mind. So I got this silicone facial cleaner. So it has 2 different textures on it. It's do like vibrations, but I didn't realize it needed, we call this thing, batteries, so I didn't get no batteries. So there's like the harder surface, and then this one like softer. So I don't mind using it with all the batteries, because I mean, yeah. When I do get batteries, I'll try with the batteries to see if there's any difference. Does very much, because I'll just be doing this. So yeah, so before I use these things, let me come on the channel. So tonight I'll be using the collagen eye mask, and obviously this with my CeraVe. Use my cream because this psoriasis / seborrheic dermatitis, I see another size that come back on my face now, boy, and we know about our life. Like, no boy, no. So use that, do my moisturizations, and go in my bed. So yeah, if all I have a Miniso, because it have one of my small trends, I think Girl City. Let me know which one had the $5 ones now. Because when I message cannot like get it out of stock or whatever it is. So that is why you get the $10 ones, the $5 ones out of stock. Like Miniso, times to restock West Mall. Okay, cool. Y'all, I'm trying to be back on my hot girl-ish, especially if I want to play mass next year. Please, Lord. You know the body, how do you body? No, that's the thing. I don't have like a bad body, but I want a little boomsy. And I need to control my bloating because I realize it's more bloated. I bloated more than my stomach not flat. So here we are trying this thing for my the 1100th time. So I did some meal prepping for the next 3 to 4 days because I have my nephew on Saturday, so I might have to make something the Friday because I can't know what he has Saturday episode. So yeah, here we are starting all over again. So I'm going to do my little face routine. All I don't really do much. But I said I'll bring all that along because it's been a while since I did like a facial routine. I don't do nothing much, to be very honest. So here we are. The main thing I do is like cleanse my face, put on my cream for my psoriasis and then put on my Pond's moisturizer. But as of lately, like about a little 3 months, I've been trying to incorporate like sheet masks. And recently this facial scrub thingy to the situation check to see if anything changes. I do have some dark marks that are fading. Thank you, Jesus. I didn't do anything to them. I literally just left them to do what they had to do. Yeah. So yeah, I do have some dark marks that are fading. This one is new because I tried to lose it and yeah, it just decided to do what it had to do. But yeah, I had some there, so I know dark marks fade for me because I had like a dread dark mark on my forehead from obviously squeezing buttons, which I'm supposed to do. And now they're gone. I have no dark mark anymore, so I know to fade it will just take a while. So I'm going to go into cleanse with my CeraVe, although I'm a CeraVe girly. With this, and then for the extra oomph, I'm going to use this hydration facial sheet mask from Miniso. As I told you all, I think, is it in this vlog or was it the last vlog, boy? I can't remember. I'll see when I'm editing. Yeah, Miniso sheet masks I like. They have a, we call this thing, aloe vera one and a vitamin C one that I love off one, but I didn't have it at one time. So yeah, let's get right into this. All you get you a boss that takes care of your tummy as well. Like, y'all. So I get a good little fruit bowl. This looks so pretty and colorful. Yes. And some yogurt and some, what's called this thing again? Granola. And a banana and a pear. And this comes in so handy because I showed you that I started back meal prepping and like trying to take my diet more seriously. Obviously the exercise will come soon, but I think I need to get my diet under control before I do that. And when I look at God, he said, look Gabriella, see you trying? Here. It's just so beautiful. Like, get you a boss that will take care of your tummy. Okay. Okay. Alright, so the last clip all you'll see is me by Posh Wax Bar looking to get my eyebrows done. These are the finished results. Yes. I like how she's waxing my eyebrows because she don't thin out my eyebrows. She's like keep it full but just like neaten it up, which is like a plus. It just looks beautiful. So it is the end of this week's vlog. And later I'll start next week's vlog. But there's the end of this week's vlog. If you made it this far in the video, drop a purple heart in the comment section. Let me know you watched all the way through. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.